Are you still using the traditional method to build your forever business? Today I'm here with a powerful graph that can shift your mind and transform your mind completely. Why automation can be a game changer to build forever business. Hi, this is Ruth. In my previous videos where I have created 3-part series. In the first, I have explained about the traditional system, and part 2 about the automation, and part 3 about the comparison between these two. Yet this part 4 video I brought to you because of the powerful graph which will speak itself, and you can able to understand easily why automation can be a game changer to build this business. I will break it down to 5 key performance areas, that is reachability, response, rejection, conversion, and follow-ups. Let's begin with reachability. This is how many people you can actually reach out to. In traditional system, the reach is just 40%. You are limited by time, energy, and manual efforts. But with automation, it jumps to a 90%. For example, in 5 days, if you can able to reach 100 people through traditional system, because you have to call them, but in automation you can able to reach even 500 or 5000 based upon your followers. So in automation, it can beat reachability to 2x, 4x, 10x, 20x, even 1000x as well. Now let's talk about response rate. Traditionally, only 30% people respond, mostly ignore or delay. But in automation, it jumps to 80% based on the statistics. Because the system keeps following up without being pushy. Here comes the tough one, rejection. In traditional system, rejection is very high. Why? Because you are often reaching the wrong audience and catching them at the wrong time. On top of that, in traditional system, because you are directly interacting with the leads, they keep on asking questions. If you are unable to handle properly, the rejection rate will be high. But in automation, rejection drops to 20% because the people who like this business model, they only will come through the funnel. Now let's talk about what matters the most. Lead conversion. Traditional method only converts 10% of leads. That's a lot of effort for very little result. But in automation, conversion rises to 60%. That's almost 6 times better than the traditional system, because the system filters, train the leads, or builds the confidence in the leads, nurture them before even you talk to them, because the system already implemented to talk to them. So the lead conversion is high when it comes to automation. And lastly, follow-ups. In traditional, follow-up only 20% happens properly. People get busy and forget. But in automation, that brings up to 75%, because the system never forgets. The reminder, the product education, the updates, everything, the system can work on behalf of you. In conclusion, my personal opinion is automation is better than traditional system because of the more reachability, better response, lower rejection, higher conversion, consistent follow-ups. I hope you understood that I work in automation system, but still, if you are a person who can never work in automation due to any reason, but still you want to join forever in my team, I have the facility to provide you for the traditional system as well. So if you want to join with me in my team, please do contact me, and my contact I have given in the description box. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment and subscribe the video. click on the bell icon to get the further notification. Thank you.